Man, you know, I be juggling. You know what I'm saying? I juggle a lot. I play a lot of positions. You know what I mean? So, my mentality when I do start to be like, damn, this is a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you know, that's what it's supposed to feel like. If you are going toward what the vision look like, and that's like greatness. That's, you know, on multiple levels. That's the vision that I'm working toward. So I'm like, I just think about that. Like, this shit ain't supposed to feel, you know, comfortable. It's supposed to be uncomfortable. It's supposed to stretch you. It's supposed to be a burden to a degree. And you gotta, you know, wrap your mind around that and accept it and embrace it. And you catch the wisdom off of that. You know what I mean?
Man, most important thing, number one, is you gotta get rid of doubt. If you got doubt in what you're doing, it's not gonna work. You know what I'm saying? And the way to do that is you have a plan. Because if you got a plan, it's not like just a pipe dream. You have a step-by-step list of things to do to get to your goal. If you don't have that, it's very hard to really have faith in what you're doing. Because as soon as something pop up, it's gonna look like the end all. But if you got a game plan of everything you need to do, you know, one thing pop up, well, I still gotta do this, and that, so this ain't gonna stop me. You know what I'm saying? Another thing pop up, well, shit, I accomplished this 2 things. Since my last obstacle, I only got 3 more things to do. Let me keep pushing, fuck it. Pretty soon you attain your goal, and then you create another one. But without a game plan, without a strong sense of faith in what you're doing, it's gonna be real hard to accomplish anything.
What's up, y'all? I just got done working out. Today's been a beautiful day. Woke up good. Working on some of my goals in the morning. What else? Got done running errands. I just want to get on. You see that? Everything don't go according to, to life. We're gonna keep it going though. But yeah, man, I just hope everybody stay focused, stay consistent. Don't lose faith in what you do. Don't lose faith in yourself. Make sure your energy clean. Don't waste no time too. Stop procrastinating. Let's go ahead and get to it. And make sure y'all work on y'all goals every day. Don't let one day go by, because I know y'all know that saying, tomorrow's not promised. They better, hey, they know what time it is. But you know, I'm more than humble, man. You know, I know where I came from. You know, I came a long way. And it's a celebration for me, you know, just being out here too, because this is the longest time that I've been out. I'm just in this world, man. Those for y'all that's on probation and parole, make sure y'all staying out your parole officer way. Make sure you stay out their way, man. Handle business. Handle business. If not, man, come back, get some more motivation. You know, watch other motivational. You don't gotta just watch my stuff, but you know, you can watch the main ones I watch is Nipsey Hussle, Eric Thomas, Inky Johnson. Those like my main ones every day, so. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Just everybody different, you know, everybody lifestyle is different. Everybody got their time to shine, everybody got their time where, you know, they down or whatever, but it's how you shake back from stuff. So right now, Zilla's shaking back. I feel good. My energy is clean. Don't get me wrong now, every day not perfect, but just having the right people around me, having the right conversations, and then my team just keep me focused. And that's the importance of having a strong team, a strong foundation. That's why I'm real big on that. I'm real big on that. So, but time management, man. Make sure y'all value y'all's time. And if you got something that you grinding for, make sure you grinding hard for it every day, bro. Like all these billionaires, millionaires, like everybody be thinking that's how they came up was easy, but really it wasn't. Y'all didn't see the groundwork that they put in. And that's why I feel like my channel's so unique, because I'm bringing y'all with y'all. Like y'all seeing me before I blow up, or y'all seeing me before I be on TV or whatever. And yo, man, I'm getting out the mud. And hopefully my actions could like motivate anybody that's watching this, so, or any kids, anybody. Zilla the icon, you heard? Icon, man. So make sure y'all stay focused, y'all be patient too. Be patient, man. Be very patient. And patience aligns up with time management, so make sure y'all just studying every day. Y'all putting in work in every day. And we gonna get the results. You heard? Hello.